This is Xiaolin from Yealink. I'm the Yealink Telecenics Senior Channel Manager. Yeah, glad to see everyone at InVision event. This is such a great event. So for Yealink, we provide 4 scenarios video conferencing solution that covers from huddle room to extra large rooms. Yeah, and today we bring out one of our most popular video conferencing solution, the MeetingBar A40. So this one is designed for small to medium-sized rooms, as you can see here. So what highlight for this model is firstly, it will be very easy to deployment. Yeah, because for Yealink, we would like to have everything more easier and also efficient. So for all Yealink devices, we use the Cage5e deployment. So you just need one cable to do all the deployment, and you are good to go with the native experience. And second one is about the AI features that I would like to highlight for you. So right now we are using the IntelliFocus features that designed by Yealink. Yeah, so as you can see, it can pick up actually up to 4 latest active speakers, but there's still a room view here, so that you know what's going on in the whole meeting room. So even I move a bit, the camera will always zoom in me and also make sure I'm in the center of the page, so that we can see everyone being focused in the meeting rooms. Yeah. So if you have any interest, you can reach out to us. We have a very dedicated team for Telecenics customers, so you can reach out to us very easily by the email telecenics@yealink.com. Okay. Thank you.